Hi guys, welcome to Trader Tube. Today we're gonna take a look at a growth stock which is called Latch, ticker symbol LTCH. Let's see what they do. So basically, it's like property management software with the smart key. So let's see who is the investor for this company. So you see the third quarter 2021 is big company is a plus 10%, 10.82%. So biggest buyer is Sprouse House Investment, Vanguard, Morgan Stanley, Brookfield Asset Management, and BlackRock. And Sprouse House Investment has a $157 million invested, and Wellington Management also $16.57 million. So all the big boys are buying for the third quarter. And let's see what the Google Finance say about this company. So here it is. As I told you, this is a growth stock and is a long run stock. In revenue is not that good. So the revenue is 11.20, and net income is minus 34.24. It's a new company, so long run, my opinion, it will be a good company to own. And so thank you for watching, and always subscribe and like and share the video. Thank you.